What's up, guys? It's Gilmar here. And this week and today, we're going to be starting off our small account challenge all the way to 25K. That 25K number seems like a monumental amount for me and a lot of new traders. And I want to record my journey so I can prove to myself and everybody else that it's doable. Think of that 25K like a brick wall, and every trade that you make is one brick that you have to lay perfectly and plant it to build that brick wall. That's how you have to think about it, because if you just think about that brick wall, that giant brick wall of 25K, it's going to be a long journey. So if you focus on making a trade perfect with all your rules and aspirations, lay it perfectly, eventually you're gonna have that brick wall. So as I said, we're gonna start off that 25K challenge. I have 3 brokerage accounts. I have my Robinhood right here, I have my TD Ameritrade, and I have my Webull. Screenshot right there. I think all in total it's like $459.07. So yeah, definitely small account, and my account has seen better days. Trust me. I've been trading for like 2 years, and there's been multiple ups and downs. More downs than I would say up. But on the real, the way you look at it, charge it as tuition. That's what every experienced trader says. Whatever losses that you make in the beginning of your journey, that's your market tuition, and that's for you to learn. So for example, my year to date, it's I'm down like 4K my year to date, and I'm to 192.07. So I blew up my account. I might explain that in a different video, but I blew up my account in a stupid way because I got cocky, as every new trader does. As you start seeing gains, you start getting cocky. So that's a whole different another story. But I've been trading for 2 years. In the terms of like the trading world, 2 years is very little. Like, people don't have their breakthrough like until year 3 or 4. Year 2, people do have breakthroughs in year 2, but it's kind of rare. So it's okay. I think I'm doing good, and I think I'm pretty knowledgeable, and eventually I'm gonna make it there. But disregard my whole spiel. So we're gonna start our 25K small account challenge starting this week, and we're gonna talk about the plays that I put into this week and going forward. So with no further ado, let's go and look at our play that I've been watching for quite some time. The play that I've been watching is this Pfizer play right here. As you can see, Pfizer has been on a significant downtrend. Look at that, significant. This is the day chart. So the way that I'm going to be growing my small account is through swing trades and day trades. I work a 9 to 5, so it's mostly going to be swing trading. When I get another position that I'm more flexible in, I'm going to be taking more day trades. And since I have 3 brokerage accounts, I have 9 day trades in 1 week. So I put myself in a predicament where I can make more day trades. But for now, it's going to be more swing trading. So I'm looking at this long swing trade right here. So last time, Pfizer was in an uptrend, it would be right here, December 14th of 2022. Last time it was in an uptrend, all of this right here, downtrend, right there, until starting to recover April 23rd. So the charts that I use is right here. This is the charts that I use. So this is a chart that I got from the 1348 trading platform. That's where I'm gaining my wisdom. It's by Review Dork and Short the VIX. Check them out. I pay I think it's like $69 a month to get trade ideas. But I wanted to see how their trading is, and this is what they use. They use the 13 EMA, the 48 EMA, which is the let me go to this chart because you can see it better right here. So 13 EMA, green line, 48 EMA, yellow line. The red line is the 200 moving average, which is the strongest indicator. All price action, 200 moving average, it highly respects that level. I also use RSI. RSI, it gauges if a stock is overbought or oversold. MACD gauges price strength. If the blue line crosses the orange line, it means it has price strength. ADX, right here, it gauges momentum of the stock. Shaft trend, SEC, it gauges a change of direction. So when it's green, change of direction, bullish. When it's red, changes direction, bearish. So this is the trading setup that I use right here. And they also plot, this is like a software that they use. It plots the levels, which is really helpful. It's wherever the price action stops. So price action goes up, this level stops right here, goes back down, goes back up. This level right here respects it and goes back down. But anyways, let me go back to my play. I just wanted to explain you guys the method to my madness, what I use to trade, and this is the mechanics that I use that I trade. I know it looks like a lot, but it's somewhat simple when you get used to it. For example, when the price action crosses over the 13 EMA, usually means that you're going in an uptrend. Once it does that 1348 cross, it implodes even higher. RSI, when it's above 50, price action is bullish. MACD, when the MACD crosses the yellow line, price action, it has a strong momentum, strong strength. ADX, green means go. Pretty simple. And a shaft trend right here, it also indicates the direction where it's going, and it's going up. So once you know these things, you can use it. But let's go back to our Pfizer play. So as I said, since December 13th, Pfizer has been going on a downtrend. And so I've been looking at this play for such a long time, and I wanted to use it as a swing trade. So we're going to go ahead and view my first trade, which is April 3rd, when I entered. On April 3rd, I bought a Pfizer 4250 call on April 3rd. Expiration was 6/16. I bought it at 12:59 p.m. I bought it for $116. So, and then I sold it. I bought it at like a long expiration because it's a long swing trade. So I bought an expiration date further out to June 16th. It's April, so I wanted to play to develop. But then I sold it because I remembered that the CPI data report was on the 12th. But let me get to that. So I sold the Pfizer call for $126, a $10 win at 1:55 p.m. because the CPI data report was being released on April 12th, which is right there, April 12th. Bought it on April 3rd, sold on April 12th. Sold on April 11th, because on April 12th, that's when the CPI data report comes out. So I sold it the day before to protect my little baby gains that I got. $10. Not too shabby, right? Not too shabby. Doing good. So CPI data on April 12th comes out at 8:30. 5% CPI data. The expectation was 5.2. The data came out as 5. So we're looking at inflation is coming down. So you would think that the market is going to go up because they're like, oh shit, this is bullish. So I went ahead and bought again. I bought after the CPI, the 4250 call again for the same expiration, 6/16 on April 12th. After the CPI data, I bought it at 9:35 as soon as the market opened right away. Bought it for $110. So right there, April 12th, right there. I bought it for $110. Then I sold it right here. This day was crazy. So CPI data was right here on the 12th. PPI data was on the 13th. Both came out good. On the 14th, Friday, the market took a shit. I don't know why. Look at the SPY. I really don't know why it took a shit, but it took a shit. But look at the SPY. The SPY, the S&P 500 affects the whole entire market. So from market open, it went up, it rallied up. And then look, majority of the day, it went down. Exactly like, look at the Pfizer. The whole day in a downtrend, all the way down to 40.93. So let's go back to the daily chart because I'm trading on the daily chart since it's going to be a long swing trade. So my risk was right here, right below the 13 EMA. And look at that. It hit my risk, 40.96. I had to exit. I had to exit because I wanted to protect my capital. But this is the part where the market pisses me off. 10 minutes before close, Pfizer decided to rally up and close above the 13 EMA, meaning that it still has steam. I'm not a fucking mind reader, dude. How the fuck am I supposed to know? I was going to sell on Monday, this following week, if it opened below the 13 EMA, but it hit right here. It hit my risk right below it. I had to fucking sell. I had to sell, dude. Right there, I had to sell. So, I sold it, and so I bought it for $110, and I sold it that day on Friday for $81. I took a $29 loss. That's the thing about the market. It humbles you. But whatever. We just got to keep going. Next play. Warner Brothers. WBD. Right there. WBD. I decided to trade it on the daily chart. So, I bought WBD. I bought it on Friday because I saw that it was going on to a downtrend. This is the daily chart, so I wanted to swing it. Right here, there's a level, 1339. You can see, look at the price action hit right there on this level. And also, if you go back to January 17th, the price action right here was hitting 1339-ish, 40-ish. The 1339 right here, it's not an exact science. It's like a range of where the stock price will hit. So that's where I wanted to sell. So I remember I bought WBD in the morning. I bought it right here when the 13 crossed the 48 EMA. I bought it at 1402, and look, on Friday it went all the way down to 1356. It went significantly down. It went down. I believe it was like 2%. I'm like, dude, I think I wanted to sell at 1340. It was 1356. So it's like a 16-cent difference. I'm like, dude, I'm going to just sell. I'm almost there. I might as well take my gains and go ahead and go. So I bought it in the morning at 9:43. I bought it for $51 and I sold it at 1:36 p.m. for $61. $10 gain, not too shabby. So whatever I lost in the Pfizer play, I lost 29. 29 minus 10, 19. So I lost $19. The WBD play helped me out a little bit. So as you can see, trading is pretty tough. But let's go back to Pfizer. Again, I bought another call on Pfizer. Let me look at my notes. I got my notes right here. Bear with me. So I bought another Pfizer call, 42.50, expiration date, 5/19. So May 19th, a shorter time frame because I wanted to sell it at 42.70 right over here. There's a level right here, 42 that the price action hit and it stayed, and I wanted to sell it around that range, like 42.70, 42.60, around there. So I had like a month's time to get there. So that's why I chose a shorter expiration. I bought that Pfizer call on the 13th. I bought it for $70. I sold it the next day on Friday right here. Same thing, 40.96, right below the 13 EMA. I'm like, dude, I had to sell. And I sold it for $50. I bought it for $70, sold it for $50, took a $20 loss. Damn, the market's kicking my ass, huh? But I did everything right. I feel like I did everything right. It's just that the market yeeted me. They literally say yeet, yeet to my ass. Like, look at this. I feel like I did a good job. So let me go down. Let's go down. There you go. Because I entered right above the 13 EMA. RSI right here was over 50, so it's bullish. MACD, price strength. Shaft trend right here, directions going up. Picture perfect. Picture perfect. And look, it yeeted me. So how the fuck am I supposed to know? It happens. But hopefully on Monday, I can re-enter. If it stays above the 13 EMA, I'm thinking about re-entering. Let's see how it goes. But yeah. So those were my Robinhood trades. Let's go to my Webull. My Webull trades. So on Webull, I bought a $43 call on April 13th, right here. The reason I bought another Pfizer call through my Webull is because same thing. I saw right here Pfizer going on an uptrend, so I have such a small account that it's gonna be very hard for me to grow my account. So I need to spread my options. I'm gonna also be putting money into it monthly. I don't know how much, but I'll let you guys know when I add money. So it can be all candid. But I bought the call on the 13th. I bought it for $69 and I sold it again on Friday, the 14th, all the way down here, just like my Robinhood plays. Bought it for $69, sold it for $42. $27 loss, bro. $27 loss. Whatever. It is what it is. Next play. TD Ameritrade. Pfizer call. Again. Because it looks picture perfect. Like I said, above the 13. RSI good. MACD good. Shaft trend good. It's recovering. Come on, bro. Picture perfect. How the fuck am I supposed to know that shit was gonna yeet my ass? So I bought a TD Ameritrade. On my TD Ameritrade, I bought a Pfizer call, a $42 call, expiration May 23rd. With it's a whole entire month, with the thought of me selling it around that 42.70-ish, 60-ish, 42.50-ish range, right there. It would have been a good game. So I bought it. That one I bought on the 10th. I'm sorry, not on the 10th. I bought it right here on the 13th. So just imagine let me break this apart. Oh, actually, does it have it right here? Yeah, let me break this right here. So let's measure that. With me thinking of, within the month, I have a whole month for my expiration, so I bought it right here. So say I put a long position, right here. Long position. Let me move my move up my risk. My risk right there. Oh, whoops. Bring that down. So, and then we bring my reward down. So say 42.60 right here. It would have been a 2% gain right there. 2% gain if everything went according to plan. But nothing goes according to plan in the stock market, baby. Nothing at all. Yeah, so that call, the same call that I'm talking about, I bought it for $99 and I sold it right here. I sold it for $61, a $38 loss. Come on, bro. So, as you can see, more ups and downs, but I'm showing you guys my losses because I know it burns and you're not the only ones that's losing. But, you know, this trading journey is going to be worth it if you follow me. And don't worry, we're going to make it to 25K. So that pretty much concludes my first week of plays for my 25K small account challenge. Rough start, right? Rough start. I would say it's a fucking rough start, but it's okay. We're gonna do better. On Monday, we're gonna see if it opens above the 13 EMA, and if it has price strength, and the RSI moves up a bit, I might re-enter and see what it is. I'll probably explore other plays, but I do not know yet. But for now, we're gonna try to re-enter this Pfizer call because I've been looking at it for such a long time, and it's due to come back up. The technicals are there to come back up. It's been oversold for 4 months, so it's due for a small runner. But yeah, that's my small account challenge for week 1. So if you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, ring that notification bell for next week, Sunday, on week 2 to review all my plays. All right. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.